Hi, very good morning. This is Vikram Sareen here. I am Chief Architect and founder of Bluebricks. So www.bluebricks.com is our website. So if you guys are watching this video, you can definitely go there and visit. We have listed down all our product and services over there. So in this particular video, we are going to look at Axiom working with VPN through Radius. Again, this is our dedicated website for our product. Axiom comes with default inbuilt Radius server, so which can connect or talk to any VPN or VDI solution and essentially give you coverage for all that. And then in this particular demo, we are also going to look at the push notification based multi-factor. So typically in Radius, you have VPN, which is based on OTP. We do have that, but that's mostly single factor. But when you do push notification, then it becomes multi-factor. So let me quickly share it with you so in our demo, what we have done is that we already have got one of the open VPN instances running, and in that we have configured in under Radius we have configured PAP, and we have configured the secret over here. So this is essentially going to talk to our Radius server, Axiom server, and which is where we have done some settings of this. I'll just quickly log in and yeah, okay, I think. Yeah, so I'll quickly go in and show you the Radius settings. So over here, as you can see, we have added a client over here, which is for Open VPN, and it's based on push. So other things like OTP, OTP plus, password plus OTP, all these are also supported to get things rolling. So what we will do is that first we will go through the process of installing it on the phone, and then after that I will quickly show you how the push notification works. Yeah, cheers. Okay, before we get started, I just want to share with you that I obviously have a user called Vikram, which is being created over here, who will be coming in the VPN, and then we will be taking it ahead. Yeah. Okay, so this is a simple self-registration portal which can be customized with the theme and the logo. And over here is what I'm going to come and create my account and proceed ahead with activating my user. So I'm just quickly creating my account over here. Going ahead. Oh, sorry, I think it should be, yeah, okay. So I have created my account. So over here as a user, I'm coming in, creating my account, and then I will be getting an email, which will essentially email or a text message where I will be asked to input my activation code later on. So the account is being created. So now I will go back and essentially go for activating my token. So over here we have Google Auth token as well as Axiom token. Google Auth does not provide a multi-factor; it's just OTP. So we are going to show you about the multi-factor token that we have. So on the client side, I have already installed my application. So as you can see it over here, I'm coming in, and this is the absolute token that you get to see. So over here, it just tells you what exactly you're supposed to do, and then it will go ahead and ask me for the next step, which is going to be the QR code. So how will we get the QR code? That's the question. So if you look at it, it will ask me, for my email, and then right now with VPN we have linked up the First Bank application. So you could have list of applications that you can have. So this token supports multiple users and multiple applications on the same device. So it's quite powerful, which most of the other providers don't do that. So I'm going ahead, I'm coming in, and this is where you will get the QR code. So it's a secure QR code dedicated only for this particular user that is being generated. And then as I'm coming over here and scanning the QR code, and as you could see, it was scanned. So this is the point where the user is going ahead and activating their token. So now what has happened is that I have, because anybody can scan the QR code. So for added security, we have got an email or a text message that gets sent across over here. You can see that I've got an email. So I'm gonna look at my registration code which has come to me, and then I'm going to input it. So it's asking me for my location here. Yeah, I'm coming over here. Sorry. Yeah. So this will make sure that I am the valid user and I'm the owner of the phone, and I'm coming and activating. It also got the local authentication which gets done, and now my token is fully activated. Now, as you can see over here, I have it. Now, to link my server that I have successfully done it, I would be coming over here, generating my OTP and inputting it over here. So this is something which is quite standard. We have additional feature where if you swipe for approving, over here we actually send additional pieces of information to convert it into a multi-factor. So right now, as you could see, I was activated, and if I come over here, so my user is fully activated now, and I can go in. So what I'll do is I'll show you guys very quickly of how a login could work. So I'm coming over here, I'm just selecting, and then I'm saying, okay, Axiom push. So you should be able to see the push coming onto my phone. And over here, we will be able to take it ahead. So as you could see, I have already got the push. I click over here, I see where I'm coming from, I swipe it, and I am already in. Yeah. So what you saw over here was, it was low risk because of the push. We were doing all the additional checks of location, device, and PKI certificate based, signing across the the server and the user for this particular request. So the risk is considered very low. Yeah. So obviously this is just to show you how it's being done. Now let's come back and look at the VPN experience where we will come in, and it should be able to send me the push notification onto my phone. So over here, I will come in. Obviously, I can have a client for that, but I will be saying, basically, I'll be telling the system that I need to send a push onto my phone, and then I'll say send. So sorry, as you could see, okay. So over here, as you can see that I am coming in, I'm a user, and I'm going to input my request. So over here, I'm telling the system that I need a push, and when I come over here, as you can see that on my phone, I will get a push notification. Okay, so I am going to log in as the user that is being created. So I'm coming over here and inputting it. So the request which I'm going to make is essentially for push notification based authentication, which is a form of multi-factor. Yeah. Sorry for that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'm coming over here. Unable to send push. Okay. So what we are going to do is that we are going to look at our application. Man, khichdi bage puri. Anyway, let's make it work first. Okay, so I'm coming over here, authenticating myself. Now I'm going in for my first bank, and then over here I'm generating the OTP. 993320. No, Avinash. No. I don't know, man. I'm stopping.